The source of both suffering is not what happens to you, but is instead your thinking about what happens to you. The source of your suffering is thinking at the conscious and subconscious level. So the Stoics recommend adjusting your beliefs and expectations to fit reality, to conform to the logos, to reality. For example, you will most likely encounter long lines, jerks cutting you off in traffic, ignorant people, and so on today. If you expect such things to happen, remind yourself of the deeper reasons for their happening, you will not be as angry or disturbed when they do happen. That is, you will not lose your mind, which is the only thing you can control, if you prepare your mind for reality. Consider, too, how two different people may react to the same situation of stepping on a tack. The first person cries and screams and then complains about the tack all day. The second person steps on the tack, calmly removes it, and then forgets the event ever happened. Notice the difference between these two people lies in internals, like their thinking, not in what happened to them. It's a good illustration of how your suffering comes from internals, of how you perceive and think and desire. So the takeaway is that much suffering comes from internals, how we desire, think, and perceive, and so we should investigate that. Buddha, Epicurus, Jesus, cognitive therapists, and other wise people make similar points, and they offer ways of life that gradually change internals so we can see the wonder of the world more clearly. Thanks.